It's time for you to create your own Plotagon videos. You can create your own characters, make your own animations. Whether it's short, long, or standard. After that, you can share what you've got. Characters have their own voices. For example, I, Chris, have my own voice. Create another character and see what he or she sounds like. You'll know what I mean.
Check it out.
So, it was you then?
Yes.
What are you doing here? Hey! I'm not done explaining.
What? So, I came by. And then, I started to get ready for.
You better tell me why you came.
Wait, what? So I came just to see what you were doing, just to cause this. That's right. Just me and you. The two of us.
You. Time. You will be my explaining assistant.
Really? That is wonderful.
Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, what animation would you like to give your character?
Give anyone anything he or she has to say.
Do you think you can publish your creations? Let me know.
Also, if you want to have 3 or more characters in one scene, then you can free enough space for 2 characters. We will wish you good luck. And have fun creating.